Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's topic is on project management. Topic is, what are those top 3 reasons for project management failure or failure of a project? What are those 3 reasons? Let us start one by one. The first reason is lack of training. Many who are involved in the projects, they lack training on how to manage projects. Many are the subject matter experts. They are very good in the subject, but they are not good to lead the project. And that is where we must insist on project management training to all who are involved in the project, because everybody has to be on the same platform. The second reason is lack of planning. Most of us feel that why to waste time on planning? Do take action immediately. And this is where people get burnt out in a boiler. We have to sit and a plan and make sure that plan is executed rather than directly going into execution. Most of the projects they take this route of directly going to execution, giving shit to planning, and they fail. So second reason is lack of planning. The third important reason, top reason, is lack of leadership. The project manager has to be the leader of the project. He has to navigate, he has to direct, he has to make sure that everybody, his team and the stakeholder aligned for one goal of project success. Job of a leader is that to get everybody together, get everybody productive, and to make sure that everybody works for success of project. And this is, I feel, the most important reason for failure of the project: lack of leadership. So as I said, 3 reasons: lack of training, lack of planning, and lack of leadership. So these are some of the important reasons which I wanted to convey to you. Please enroll into my courses which are available on my app powered by Class Plus. Various courses available related to project management. One, project management importance, earned value management, risk management, HVAC projects, leadership in project management. As I said, this is the top reason for failure of the project. Links are in the description box. Please click the link and take full benefit. Please subscribe my channel, follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.